And hi, Rory Space Fish! Hello! Welcome, welcome. Welcome in, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. My cat jumped up on my desk and I asked him, did I give you permission to be here? He gave me a look like you never said I couldn't. Good creature. Long time no see, hope you're well. Yeah, things have been going really well. I've been writing down notes and stuff that of things I want to do. I've got an idea for a game all foundationally concepted. I think. Yeah, things are going quite well. I hope you are doing well too. It has been a while. Ah. Oh, right now I'm currently working on a little set of head wings. A cute little accessory thing. Yeah, we have a couple of new cosmetics available. Including this little sprout here. This one's like a leaf sprout or something. Then we have a little pair of wax bunny ears. And then we have sharp pair of horns, and then we have these antlers here. There's some cool little accessories. And I was working on a little pair of head wings. Also, Pixel, thank you for the follow. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Those are fun. Yeah, thank you. I torn between drawing and coding. I want to do my own projects, but I have commissions and I'm behind on courses. Ah! Ah! That was always the struggle with me when I was doing commissions. I've tried to get better at it by providing more regular updates and stuff. Ah. I've been working on stupid 3D UV stuff all day. I had to take a break and chill out. Yeah. At the end of the day, we're not machines.